Are you looking for a completely safe way to protect your skin? Did you know that you can do that with food? I'm going to spill the beans on the foods you can use to protect your skin from sunburns in this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, so you can live good. And I want to do a quick shout out to those of you in the community that took part in the poll that took place yesterday. I really appreciate it. We did a poll on sunscreen, and the feedback was very, very helpful since this is May and it's Cancer Awareness Week. If you are new, please, by all means, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can participate in these polls. We do a lot of things like this in our community. A lot of these videos I do are from that. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. But let's get right into it. Okay, so many of you have probably heard all the scary stuff in the news lately about sunscreens and their ingredients penetrating the body and getting into the bloodstream. Scary stuff, I know. Even the most popular brands we use have this problem, and while the jury is still out on whether these ingredients getting into your bloodstream is harmful or not, I'd like to err on the side of caution and really recommend that you check out naturally based sunscreens with zinc oxide. And I do have some videos on that I just cut, which we'll link to in the video description box, and also some products that are zinc oxide based that you can also click on the video description box and go and read about them. And if you choose to order them, the links are there for you. So you all know that I am all about protecting the skin. Hat, shirt, sleeves, sunscreen, all of that. And while I wouldn't ditch natural sunscreen for what I'm about to talk to you about, it is very, very interesting to know that studies have shown there are foods that you can eat, which I'm going to go over here really quickly with you, that actually beef up your skin's ability to protect itself from the sun. So why not? It's food. We're gonna eat anyway, and these foods really, really can make a difference. So before you head to the pool, the beach, or softball practice, let's get right into these right away. So the first food I'm gonna talk about, food number one is tomatoes. And studies have shown that just taking 3 tablespoons of tomato paste per day over a 10-week period increased people's own skin ability to protect itself from the sun. And that was done in a study where people did not use any protection whatsoever but taking the tomato paste or eating the tomatoes. Now, the reason that's so effective is of course because of the lycopene. Lycopene helps the skin be stronger, connective tissue stronger, and also now we see it beefs up sun protection. Now if you hate tomatoes, that's okay. A lot of people don't like them. You can get the same amount of lycopene from 3 servings of pink grapefruit or watermelon. So there you have it. Pink grapefruit is one of my favorite fruits of all time. I love that stuff. So the next food group I'm going to talk about is an interesting one. It is spinach and sweet potatoes. And these two particular foods help the body produce a lot of beta carotene. And beta carotene is a nutrient that you get from these, and it's much better to get them from the food than it is from a supplement. Studies have shown supplements actually tend to make the skin more sensitive to sunlight. So it's better to get them from foods. These amazing foods produce so much beta carotene, you only need 1 serving of them per day to get some increase in skin protection. You also can get this from carrots, mangoes, apricots, and kale. So there's some tasty selections there for food group number 2. My next food group is one of my favorites. It's berries, grapes, and pomegranates. And of course they're red, so they give you resveratrol, which is a really strange word, but it's a word you've probably seen in print or heard. It is the stuff that makes wine healthier. Studies show that red wine drinking is healthy. It lowers blood pressure, but it also has been shown to increase sun protection factor of your skin on its own. So there again is another tasty way to help your skin prevent sun damage on its own. The next food group is oranges, grapefruits, and kiwi. They're very, very high in vitamin C, which is, again, better if you get it from food than you get from supplements. But vitamin C helps your skin stay wrinkle-free. It helps connective tissue, it helps build collagen, and it helps your skin stay hydrated, which is really, really important when you're considering protection against the sun's UVA and UVB rays. Now here's another really interesting food that can help your skin stave off skin damage and has actually shown a 20% decrease in the risk of malignant skin cancer in people who drink it, and that's your coffee, your Java, right there. Sipping sunscreen, that's what we like to call it, sipping some sunscreen. So 4 cups of coffee a day, that was the average of the drinkers in the study. And again, they showed a 20% decrease in the amount of skin cancers that were found in that group over a 5-year period study. That's pretty amazing. So if you like coffee, well, now's another reason to drink it. And if you'd like to know more about the naturally based sunscreen I just talked about and my top skincare questions answered, I picked out a couple of videos that are going to be right over here for you. So hit the notification bell and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.